デンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
I'm waking from this dream, returning to reality is so bittersweet, but I open my eyes and the illusion is fading, slipping away. It was just within reach, yet so far. I lay here all alone once more. I dreamed you were beside me, you were there once again, as if you had never left. And I remember wanting to say, asking you not to go, but I know that was impossible then. You say I can't stay here as my temp eyes open. The sun shines on the bleak horizon. It's just another day. I look out at the dimly lit buildings and think of you. Am I imagining you here right next to me? Your eyes catch my own. I look back fleetingly before I realize you're really there. I dreamed you'd be beside me, that we would meet again. Your eyes glisten, your tears are falling. I know you have not forgotten the past that we shared as I quietly watch you wipe your tears away. Although I found you, I know this meeting will not last. I have to let go, continue finding your way, though I won't miss you. It's time to wake from this dream.
デンジ君、本当はね、私も学校行ったことなかったの。